Today I'm going to answer the question how you can live in your house while it goes on the market for sale. Hi, it's Rupesh, and in today's video we're going to go over how it is to actually live in a house while it's for sale. I know that when you put a house on the market, it can be super stressful. You can have lots and lots of people coming through the home, and you have children, and you're wondering how you can actually navigate this and sell your home efficiently without losing your mind. So today what I'm going to do is give you some tips on what you can do to make sure that the process is stress-free and it's simple and easy for you to navigate. The first talking point I want to talk to you about is you should definitely think about start packing now. Start getting some boxes, maybe move them into the garage. A lot of people don't look at the garage. We never take pictures of the actual inside of the garage. So you may want to start packing your belongings into storage containers, move them into the garage, and that way you're decluttering your home. The second thing what you want to do is you may want to donate or sell, have a yard sale, have a sale in the neighborhood. I always see lots and lots of traffic in neighborhoods where people are looking to buy goods on Saturday morning. So definitely think about having a yard sale. Start early, get rid of some of those things that you don't want that just clutter the house, and that way you're getting ahead of the things that get in the way when people are looking at your house. The third thing what you want to do is you want to make sure your house is squeaky clean. Make sure that you have dusted the windows down, making sure that the house is really clean. A house that's really clean gives off really good first impression and sometimes can net you an extra $5,000 to $10,000 on the sale of your home. So make sure your house looks really good and make sure it's clean. The fourth thing you want to do is make sure that your closets are somewhat tidy and organized, because buyers tend to open doors, they look into closets, and they want to see kind of how the home has been taken care of. So sometimes closets can give you an idea of how somebody's taking care of the home, because if the closets are unorganized and messy, then the buyers sometimes will think that the house is unorganized and messy. So definitely make sure that you take care of your closets. The fifth and final thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the kids are involved. If you've got kids, why don't you put them to work? Make sure that they're pitching in and doing their fair share. In fact, what we do when we actually list a home and put a home onto the market and there's children involved, I have a nice conversation with them and I make sure that they're all involved, and then everybody's in agreement that their beds are made and their rooms are tidy. So, if anything, we make sure that I'm involved in that process. So hopefully you've got some good tips there about getting your home on the market and making sure that it's stress-free as far as when you're still living there. My name is Rupesh. If I can help you with anything, drop me a line. And again, thank you for watching.